Donald John Trump, born June 14, 1946, is an American politician, media personality, and businessman who is the 47th President of the United States. A member of the Republican Party, he served as the 45th President from 2017 to 2021. Born into a wealthy New York City family, Trump graduated from the University of Pennsylvania in 1968 with a bachelor's degree in economics. He became the president of his family's real estate business in 1971, renamed it the Trump Organization, and began acquiring and building skyscrapers, hotels, casinos, and golf courses. He launched side ventures, many licensing the Trump name, and filed for 6 business bankruptcies in the 1990s and 2000s. From 2004 to 2015, he hosted the reality television show The Apprentice, bolstering his fame as a billionaire. Presenting himself as a political outsider, Trump won the 2016 presidential election against Democratic Party nominee Hillary Clinton. During his first presidency, Trump imposed a travel ban on 7 Muslim-majority countries, expanded the Mexico-United States border wall, and enforced a family separation policy on the border. He rolled back environmental and business regulations, signed the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, and appointed 3 Supreme Court justices. He withdrew the U.S. from agreements on climate and trade and started a trade war with China. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, he downplayed its severity, contradicted health officials, and signed the CARES Act. After losing the 2020 presidential election to Joe Biden, Trump attempted to overturn the result, culminating in the January 6th Capitol attack in 2021. He was impeached twice in 2019 for abuse of power and obstruction of Congress, and in 2021 for incitement of insurrection, and acquitted by the Senate both times. In 2023, Trump was found liable in civil cases for sexual abuse and defamation and for business fraud. In May 2024, he was found guilty on 34 counts of falsifying business records, making him the first U.S. president convicted of a felony. After winning the 2024 presidential election against Vice President Kamala Harris, he was given a no-penalty sentence, and to federal felony indictments against him for retention of classified documents and obstruction of the 2020 election were dismissed without prejudice. Trump began his second presidency by initiating mass layoffs of federal workers. He imposed tariffs on nearly all countries at the highest level since the Great Depression and signed the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. His administration's actions, including targeting of political opponents and civil society, restriction of transgender rights, mass deportation of undocumented immigrants, and extensive use of executive orders have drawn over 550 lawsuits challenging their legality. In Latin America, he pursued a legally contested campaign to attack alleged drug traffickers and ordered a military raid into Venezuela to capture the country's president. In February 2026, he authorized joint U.S.-Israeli strikes on Iran that resulted in the 2026 Iran war. Since 2015, Trump's leadership style and political agenda, often referred to as Trumpism, have reshaped the Republican Party's identity. Many of his comments and actions have been characterized as racist or misogynistic. He has made many false or misleading statements during his campaigns and presidency, to a degree unprecedented in American politics, and he promotes conspiracy theories. Trump's actions have been described by researchers as authoritarian and contributing to Democratic backsliding. After his first term, scholars and historians ranked him as one of the worst presidents in American history. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, at Jamaica Hospital in the New York City borough of Queens. The fourth child of Fred Trump and Marion McLeod Trump. He is of German and Scottish descent. He grew up with his older siblings, Mary Ann, Fred Jr., and Elizabeth, and his younger brother, Robert, in a 23-room mansion in the Jamaica Estates neighborhood of Queens. Fred Trump paid his children each about $20,000 a year, equivalent to $265,000 a year in 2024. Trump was a millionaire in inflation-adjusted dollars by age 8. Trump attended the private Kew Forest School through 7th grade. His father enrolled him in the New York Military Academy, a private boarding school from 8th to 12th grade. The academy pushed students into sports and taught the imperative of winning. Trump considered a show business career, but to be closer to home, enrolled at Fordham University in 1964. He participated in the Reserve Officers Training Corps during his first year, attending classes in a military uniform every Wednesday, but dropped it in his second year. In his junior year, he transferred to the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, most often commuting to his father's office on weekends, and graduated in May 1968 with a Bachelor of Science in Economics. Contrary to his statements that he was top of his class with the highest grades possible, Wharton's published academic honors and dean's list do not include his name. By the time he went to Wharton, he was eyeing a career in real estate. He was exempted from the draft during the Vietnam War due to a claim of bone spurs in his heels. Personal life. In 1977, Trump married Ivana Zelnikova. They had 3 children, Donald Jr., Ivanka, and Eric. Ivana played a crucial role in generating the fawning press coverage that shaped Trump's public image as a real estate mogul. The couple divorced in 1990, following his affair with model and actress Marla Maples. He and Maples married in 1993 and divorced in 1999. They have 1 daughter, Tiffany, whom Maples raised in California. In 2005, he married Slovenian model Melania Naus. Their son Baron was born in 2006. Trump has said he began his career with a small loan of $1 million from his father and that he had to pay it back with interest. He borrowed at least $60 million from his father, did not repay many of the loans, and received $413 million from his father's real estate company. Trump self-reported his net worth over a wide range, from minus $900 million in 1990 to $10 billion in 2015, after his business bankruptcies in the 1990s. His lenders forgave more than 80% of his personal debt and allowed him to keep some of his real estate. In 2015, Forbes estimated his net worth at $4.5 billion, based on interviews with more than 80 sources. In 2026, the magazine set that number at $6.5 billion and ranked him the 645th wealthiest person in the world. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.